I'm showing you how I add lights to my cards. To start off with, I'm going to line up where I need to place my on-off switch. As you can see, I'm going to place it under the gift. I use glue dots to adhere and have found the bigger ones work really well. There's no science to this at all, and more of an eyeballing technique than anything. Now I'm going to bend the wires to set up my first LED, which will go under my green balloon. Again, the good old eyeball technique comes into play here. These LEDs have double-sided tape on the back, so I adhere a small part of it and double check my alignment. When I know it's in a good place, I take off the rest and firmly press it down. Now I'm adding a second light. I'm twisting the silver to silver wire and copper to copper to make the connection work. Try to tie it up like a twist tie so you'll always have a strong connection and you don't have to worry about it coming undone at a later time. Clip off any extra wire that's not needed, because then you avoid having it shift and touch the wrong wire later on. If that happens, neither lights will work. Always testing. I'm always hitting the on-off switch just to make sure that both of them are working. And again, I'm going to try and just position that properly, and yay! So far, so good. Now I'm adding my double-sided tape, but I'm going to do that super fast so I don't bore you too much, because I'm sure we all have this technique down pat. I'm not really super good at eyeballing tape or where to cut and stuff, but you can just cut off the extra like I've done here. Us crafters are really good at adapting. I'm adding a second layer of foam to raise my image a bit higher for two reasons. First, I find that most switches, the on-off button, are higher than the foam I use. And secondly, the further away your image is from your LED light, the nicer the glow. If you set the image right on top of the LED light, you can actually see just a tiny square light, and it doesn't look very nice. Here I'm aligning again, and once that's good, I take the backing off the corner foam piece and adhere the image down. Then I test it again. When I'm happy with that, all of the backing comes off. And then I adhere the whole image down, and then I'm done. I cut my original cardboard backing very close to my image size, but after I was done, I had a bit hanging out from underneath, so I just grabbed my scissors and cut that off. And voila! It's finished!